Hello everyone, welcome to Willadine's Kitchen. Today we're going to do a potato salad recipe. Potato salad is a classic down here in the South. My mother used to make it all the time, but what we're going to do is we're going to elevate it a little bit. So our potato salad is actually going to be a ham and potato salad. So I'm going to show you what ingredients we have here ready to go. So we have our potatoes, we have them cut, soaking in some water. We're going to boil these off. It's going to take about 10 minutes for them to cook. We don't want to overcook them because we don't want them to be too mushy. So we're going to cook our potatoes. Then we have some diced ham here that we're going to use in our salad. And we also have some green peas here. Now these peas, I borrowed this from the English. They put green peas in their potato salad in some of their recipes, not all of them. We also have the standard chopped onions and chopped celery. So I got some red onions and some celery here. We have the classic pickle relish here. So we got sweet pickle relish, but you could use dill relish as well. We have the one boiled egg that we're going to chop up and add to the potato salad also. And I like fresh dill. Dill and potatoes go good together. So I got some fresh dill. We're going to chop this up and add that to the salad as well. Now for seasoning, you also have to have some good seasoning in your salad. So we have some seasoning salt. We have some white pepper. We have some celery seeds. And we also have some dry mustard as well. The mustard gives it that tangy taste to it also. So these are our ingredients. We're going to get going here on a ham and potato salad. It's going to be elevated, something you might see in a restaurant versus what you might see in your backyard barbecue. But, you know, you can make plenty of it and put it in the backyard barbecue as well. But we're going to get this going, show you how we make this salad, and stay tuned. Okay, everybody, we are back, and our potatoes have been cooked. So here they are. They've been boiled, and I let them cool off for about an hour before we start mixing up all our ingredients to make our salad here. So the first thing I like to do is I like to add in the pickle relish. We're going to add in this celery and our chopped onions. I'm adding our spices here. And I have the chopped dill, that fresh dill, which goes good with potatoes. And we have our eggs that we chopped up as well. Put the egg in there. And what I like to do is mix these up before, so we can get them mixed in there good. And then next we're going to add some of our homemade mayonnaise. Just add that right into here and mix this up. And I do this because I think this way all of our ingredients get mixed evenly throughout the mayonnaise. And then we'll go ahead and add our potatoes. And as we mix this up, we may have to add more mayo. We'll see as it starts to come together. So right here, you got a very good basic potato salad. You would put this back in the refrigerator and let it cool off some more before serving. So what we're going to do is we're going to have the peas. We're going to add those. And we're going to add the ham. And just from looking at it, I think we're going to need a little more mayonnaise to hold this together. And this is really easy to put together. It's not a hard dish to make. So here, as you can see, it's all mixed in together here. So here's our ham potato salad. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to let this cool a little bit more, and then we're going to plate it up, and it'll be ready to serve. Okay, we mixed our salad up, but there's one thing we need to do, as in every recipe, before you serve it, you need to taste it. So I didn't taste this earlier, so I'm gonna give it a taste. And you want to get all of the ingredients on one spoon so you can get a nice full taste of your dish. So that tastes good. It doesn't have too much salt in it. It's not salty. It has lots of flavor coming from the spices. I can taste the dill in there. So I think we got a good potato salad, and then we're going to get ready to start our plating next. Hello everyone, we're back now and we plated up our ham and potato salad dish. I would serve this as an appetizer in this particular portion right here, and I have it garnished with some sliced cucumbers, some fresh dill, some tomatoes, some crispy fried onions on the top, and a little bit of parsley there just to add a little bit of more color to it. Now, like I said, this dish would go great as an appetizer. You could have some chicken strips, fried chicken, ribs, or something else to go with it, even a sandwich on this side. But I just wanted to elevate our Southern style potato salad just a little bit to see what kind of options you can have and what you can do with a simple dish like a potato salad. So I hope you enjoy our video, and I hope we've given you some ideas on what you can do when you entertain at home, because this will be a nice dish to serve up when you have some company at the house. So like I said, I hope you enjoyed everything. I'm glad and happy to have you as viewers. So please hit that subscribe button and come back again. We got more videos coming up, lots of good recipes. Thank you and have a good day.